Hi guys, what I'm listing here is a 1975 Triumph that I took on trade for my TR4 with the Chevy in it that I've been posting for the last 3-4 years. What we got here is a car. The owner bought it in the 80s. He did a frame-off restoration. The frame is redone, body was down to bare metal, new fenders. He had no budget on it. The underside is not undercoated. The wheel welds are, but the underside is not. And the bottom of the floorboards is as shiny as the bonnet is. The suspension is all upgraded. Poly bushings, front and rear sway bars, Toyota brakes on the thing, stock brakes on the back. The shocks, there's 4-wheel gas shocks. It's got an upgraded radiator on it. It's a Ford Mustang. On a little side note, his plan was to put a Chevy in it, so when he did the restoration, he worked so that when the Chevy went in, he wouldn't have to, spend or re-spend money. So we have a Ford Mustang radiator. We have an electric fan. We have a Chevy alternator. There is the high torque starter. These are interesting. He got these from the UK. A brand new set of 1 3/4 SU carburetors. You don't want to know what that was worth. We have an upgraded distributor with an electronic drive tachometer. He sent his tachometer in and got it rebuilt to be electronic, not cabled. Again, it's got the pointless distributor. It's got all the, because of the electric fuel pump on it, he's got the rollover switch. He's running .5 brake fluid to stop if there's a leak, you don't lose paint. The exhaust system is all being upgraded to 2 and 2 1/4 inch. The differential is a stock ratio, all sealed and everything. The brakes were all done. Speaking of the brakes, calipers are vented and drilled. The tires and wheels are 17 inch. Let's talk about the interior. All redone. I like the blue. To me, it matches well. A big important thing on this, it's got a Ford T5 5-speed. And you guys know that to do that thing by start to finish labor, you're going to kiss away close to $5,000. It's like new, the interior. Carpet, super insulation. Here, I'll just pull this back a bit to show you the insulation in it. All soundproof type, waterproof foam. The trunk, or the boot, is all insulated and carpeted. It also comes, the car, with a matching tonneau cover. And it's also got the top boot, and it's got a black one too. So again, when you start pricing things out, you know that's worth. It's got upgraded headlights in it, LEDs. Now, what I'm about to say is for the car builders. To do this car today, the way it's sitting here, will be about $80,000 at a shop. That's the way it is. And think about it. You got a $5,000 transmission. Paint today you're kissing $10,000 to $15,000 for a good paint job, plus body work, plus, so you know, between the transmission and just the body and paint, you're into it for $25,000. Never mind a $10,000 engine rebuild. Never mind, you know, the suspension. He had in parts and materials on this car $65,000. I had in parts and materials on my TR4 30, and I ate all the labor, about 300 hours labor on it. So all I want for this car right now is I won't sell it for less than $30,000. So if you can do it cheaper, please do. I know you can on it. So if you have any more questions, if you're interested, just get a hold of me.